A total of 1,179 Bru militants belonging to two outfits surrendered in Assam's Hailakandi district on Monday. Insurgents belonging to the United Democratic Liberation Front of Barak Valley and Bru Revolutionary Army of Union laid down 350 firearms, including 18 AK series rifles, M16 rifles, and over 400 cartridges. The two outfits were active mostly in areas along the Assam-Mizoram border, and Monday's development took around 5 years to accomplish after the peace process was initiated in 2017. The militants, who were already in ceasefire with security forces, formally laid down their arms before Assam Assembly Speaker Biswajit Daimari and Water Resources Minister Pijus Hazarika. The cadres will now undergo a rehabilitation process that will be initiated shortly. Meanwhile, Daimari appealed to Alpha I chief Paresh Barua to join the peace process.
এইটো আমাৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া অলৰেডি এটা প্ৰস্তাৱ দিয়ে আছে যিকোনো মানে আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ চৰকাৰে ইচ্ছুক আৰু হিতৰ কাৰণে বাৰ্তা পঠোৱা হৈছে গতিকে ময়ো অনুৰোধ কৰোঁ যে আমাৰ পৰেশ বৰুৱা ডাঙৰীয়া এতিয়া অসমৰ ভৱিষ্যত প্ৰজন্মৰ কাৰণে এটা শান্তি আলোচনাৰ মানে দিশে আগবাঢ়ি আহিব লাগে আৰু অসমখনৰ নতুন প্ৰজন্মক তেখেতে নতুন জীৱন দি যাব লাগে।
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.